Hello, I saw your question. You want to find solutions in graph. So your question is, when you have a fraction, how to work with that. So this equation is solved for y, so I'd pick values for x. A real easy value to pick for x here would be 0, and the denominator of the fraction is 2, so I'd pick multiples of 2 as other possibilities. So, that gets to your question. It's solved for y, so I'd pick values of x. 0 is real easy to work with, and then multiples of 2. So I pick 0, 2, and 4. So you take half of 0 minus 2 is a negative 2, so that gives you one ordered pair, 0, negative 2. If you put in 2, half of 2 minus 2, half of 2 is 1 minus 2, which is a negative 1. Another ordered pair, 2, negative 1. And then I pick 4. Half of 4 would be 2, minus 2 would be 0. So I plotted two of the points here, 0, negative 2, and 4, 0, and drew a line. The other one you mentioned, the denominator of the fraction, it's very similar. Denominator's fractions of 4. So 0 is again real easy to work with, but I'd pick multiples of 4, such as 4 and 8. Just makes the arithmetic easy. Hope this helps.